a new front lip for the ST from Maxton Design, same as my rear diffuser. It's a rainy day out, but we're gonna install it. We'll see how it goes. I already pre-drilled the holes. You got holes all the way around. You got one in the middle. The protective film is still on, so I'm gonna remove it once we drill the holes in the underside of the focus bumper. So these are the screws for the old lip. Need to get out. They're just self-tapered ones, so they should be pretty easy. Nice and simple. Well, that one's a different self-tapper, I forgot. So I need to get a flathead. Get that done. The old front lip is off. Right here. Looks naked. But we're gonna mock up this on there, or the new one on there. And then we'll drill the holes. Probably mark the placement of the holes and then drill into the bumper. But we have to remove this piece right here. And there's a couple clips underneath and a couple Torx bits. So we'll get that off and then we'll start fitting it on. So this is the cover you're taking off. It's got a couple Torx bits that go here and on the sides. And then you're gonna need your trim popper tool to get these parts out. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so once you pop all these body trim clips out, the entire thing should just pull out like that. Just move that to the back. This is the other trim piece that comes off of the back of this. And then you have your opening to mount all your hardware up here. So let's get this lip mocked up. Sharpie where the holes need to be, and then we'll get it mounted up. Alright guys, I switched to my phone because my GoPro died, but we got it mounted. So I ended up 3M'ing the underside of the lip, just enough to hold it to drill the holes to hold it in with the bolts, and went ahead and used the impact and a 10mm wrench to do the bolts and nuts on there, the hardware for the lip. But this is what it looks like. Came out really nice. Can't complain. So now I got the Maxton front lip and the Maxton diffuser. I haven't really done a video on the diffuser just because I never recorded me putting it on. But this is the Maxton diffuser. So that's on there. And I gotta redo my side skirts eventually, probably before next spring. I'll sand them all down, hit them with some more gloss black paint because the sun kind of damaged them. You can see it on the corners. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for some more. It's still winter, so we're trying to get some more stuff going for the car. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching.